Hi, I'm Lori Schneider with Figs Catering in Austin, Texas. On behalf of Expert Village, today we're going to show you how to make a baked spaghetti squash casserole with sun-dried tomatoes. So my spaghetti squash, I've had a chance to cool just a little bit so I can handle them. And now what we're going to do, as you can see here, when you pull it away, you get these really great strings of squash. So I'm going to show you how we got these really great strings with this other half of our spaghetti squash. Similar to the way we tested it, we're just going to put our fork in and pull it away from the edge of the skin. And there's still a little bit of heat in there, so be careful if you're working with it when it's hot. But as you see, it very easily pulls away, and the strings of the spaghetti squash come out relatively easy here. And now I'm going to pull it off from the bottom of the squash. So it should kind of come out relatively easy. And this spaghetti squash you could actually eat just as is. It's really great. You can add just a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. It's very, very good. Very, very good for you.